It's just a crush. Damn, it's just a little baby crush.
Bro, this was full send frickin' instant. I mean, I just put that stuff in there and I cannot smell a bad smell anymore. The whole musty smell is just gone as soon as I put it in there. I don't know why the hell I doubted this stuff. I use this stuff for my deodorant, but I mean, holy hell, bro. Natural things really do frickin' work. I just cannot smell it anymore. This thing used to just reek when the sun came in, because it sits in the sun there. And the sun shines on it, and it frickin' makes it reek up the whole damn room. Not anymore. But now this is what I'm focusing on. This fell off. And I have to make 2 more. Took me an hour and a half by hand.